How to fix the missing Wi-Fi icon on Taskbar in your Windows 11. Hello everyone and welcome back. On today's video, we'll be talking about some steps by which you can fix this issue. The steps are mentioned on the screen as well, so let's get started. Firstly, you should check for your hidden icons. Sometimes the Wi-Fi icon might be in the hidden icon section. For this, click on the up arrow and you should see there. Likewise, for the next step, enable Wi-Fi icon from the settings. Press Windows plus I key together to open the settings app. Once the settings is open, go to the personalization and then on the taskbar. From there, you have to see for the turn system icons on and off and make sure that network option is toggled on. This should probably fix the issue. If it does not, let's move on to step 3. For this, you have to update your network drivers. To update your network drivers, open Device Manager. You can either search in the search bar or press Windows plus X and go to Device Manager. It will ask for permission. You have to click on Yes. Once that is done, you have to go to the section which says Networks or the Networks adapter. Click on the drop-down menu, choose your driver, right-click on it, and then click on Update Driver and you're good to go. The fourth option is checking for the Windows Update. Press Windows plus I to open Settings app again, go to Windows Update, and then click on Check for Updates and you should get the latest versions and updates. Likewise, another step is Restart Windows Explorer. For this, you have to open your Task Manager. In order to open the Task Manager, you can right-click on the taskbar and then you will see the option of Task Manager there. Click on it. Now from the list, locate the Windows Explorer, right-click on it and restart. Now comes the next step. For this, you have to open services.msc or services. It is available from the search bar, and once you open it, you have to give the permission of administrative privileges. Now you have to restart the network services. This can be found under network connection and network list service. Right-click on each of the service and then click on restart and then restart your computer as well, and the issue should be fixed. So these are some of the solutions for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.